Okay, this is the oldest kid, and he's 3 weeks old exactly today. It was 112 grams. I banded him yesterday, and pretty quick we'll be doing blood for DNA. There we go. What a big baby. And he's looking good. Here we go. Go. What a good baby. Let me do that when you're bigger, huh? What a good baby. Look very content. Here we go. This is the middle kid, the one with the wonky toes. Let's see. And he is 20 days old today and 92 grams. Oh, what's the matter, huh? Okay. There we go. There we go. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Want a bite? There you go. Good boy. Nice baby. Get them used to that so they don't mind having their heads poked at, you know?
That'd be cool.
Yeah. Oh, what's the matter, huh? Yeah, you're a good boy. Oh, nice. Nice. Cute little bugger.
Okay.
And this is the littlest one. This kid is 16 days old and up to 54 grams. And when I pulled them, he was only 5 days old and was 10 grams. So he's doing really good. It's okay. Yeah. There you go. What a good baby. You want a bite? Good. There you go. What a good boy.